In this video, I'll be showing you how to pair a replacement AirPod Pro 3 to your AirPods. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now I have my AirPods Pro 3 right here, but let's say one of them went missing and then I got a replacement. So I wanted to pair it with my existing one and then the case. It's actually very simple to do. It's using the same method that you would pair anything with. So what you want to do with your previous one and your new one is make sure that they're in the same case together like so, and then basically snap it together, right? Then what you want to do is enter your AirPods into pairing mode. So you got to double tap twice. As you can see, it is now in pairing mode. So they've registered that they're together now. So all you need to do is go over to your settings on your phone. And then as you can see, because it's in pairing mode, it's going to ask me to connect. So all I got to do is press connect, and then it's going to be connecting me, and then you can go through all your settings. So, I could just go ahead and press continue right here. I can press not now, but obviously you can go through these things if you want to. It's up to you if you do. And yeah, that's it. They're fully connected now. All I got to do is press done, and that's it. You'll be good to go. You can use them just as you would. Just make sure whenever you're getting a replacement, the battery might be low on it just because, you don't know how much they charge it whenever they give you the replacement. So make sure that it's fully charged before you use it. That way, they'll both run out at the same time and then you can charge them again. And it's as simple as that. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.